Hello everyone, I'm Hadi from Mastering UE. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a low poly version of your AI 3D model without losing your material. Here you can see almost 50,000 triangle, and this one have only 24,000 triangle. Now I'm going to select my model, and then I have to export this in GLB format. So I'm going to save this right here. That's all I have to do. Now I'm going to open Unreal Engine, and then in Unreal Engine controller I have create a folder for this model. So all you have to do is just drag this GLB file right here, use default pipeline, import. Now we have this folder for our head, and we have this material, and then we have a static mesh. So I'm going to open this one, and we have this head model. It's almost, I think, oh, we have to turn off this nanite. Reopen again, and then we have this almost 50,000 triangle on this model. Now I'm going to add LOD. We have this one number of LOD, so I'm going to increase this to 2 and then apply. Now we have to wait. It will take a long time because we have this large amount of triangle here. Okay, it's done. Now in this LOD section we can pick which LOD we want to choose. So in LOD 0 we have this 5, almost 50,000 triangle, and now if I set this to 1, now we have this 24,000. And also you can control this percentage of this triangle. Let's set this to only 5 and then apply. Okay, now we have this only 24,000 triangle, I think. Now let me show you. If I drag this right here, let's scale this to 2, and then now I'm going to duplicate this one, and for this one I'm going to do on this LOD section, I'm going to set this for LOD to force 1 and set this to 2. Now here I can see, if I go to this wireframe mode, here you can see this is the high poly and this is the low poly, and we have this exact same texture. Now how we can export this low poly on Blender or another 3D program? So in our content folder we have to open this destination of this mesh, and then we have to export in ABX format. So I'm going to select this document, and then let's rename this to head low poly. Save. You can use this latest version. Bake texture. Okay, we don't have to bake this one, so all I have to do is just export. Now here you can see we have this low poly version. So I'm going to hide this high poly and then import FBX document, and then we have this low poly. So I'm going to import this one. Now you have to remove this group, and then we have this LOD 0, this one. Okay, we have this scaling issue right here, so I have to fix this one. Now we have this LOD 0 and we have this LOD 1. This is the low poly version, and Yeah, this is the high poly version and this is the low poly version. So I'm going to remove this high poly, and then I'm going to drag it right here and remove this one. Now we have this high poly, so I'm going to rescale this one. Now I'm going to share this material with this one, so all you have to do is just select your material. That's all you have to do. This one has almost 50,000 triangle and this one only has 24,000 triangle. So if I go to this wireframe mode here, you can see